There are always inspiring stories surrounding those who run the annual ING Hartford Marathon. And this weekend, in the 20th anniversary race, a blind Air Force veteran will run for a Connecticut charity that has given his life new vision. Fox Connecticut's Tony Terzi joins us with the story of tragedy morphing into triumph. Tony.
Brent, the life of Air Force Staff Sergeant Michael Malarcy went dark on January 3rd, 2010. But 1 year later, to the day, a Bloomfield organization brought new meaning and new light to his life.
Oh, my goodness.
It takes 2 years and 15,000 hands-on hours for the Fidelco Guide Dog Foundation to place a pooch with a client. That day for Michael Malarcy came a year to the day after he went blind as a result of an improvised explosive device in Afghanistan.
One of the big draws for me was the in-home placement, because here I am with a new wife who is now pregnant. And the last thing that I'm going to do is take a month and a half off to go to a campus somewhere.
After a couple of weeks of in-community training, Exxon was Michael's new eyes.
And once I learned to trust this dog and learned how much he could help me, I mean, my independence and confidence just shot through the roof. It changed my life.
Confidence and also a sense of hope.
That he could go back out into the working community, that hope that he could become that man that he used to be.
That included returning to the Air Force as the only active duty blind airman ever, as he helped roll out the Recovering Airman Mentorship Program.
So we took these folks as volunteers and would pair them up with people with similar injuries or illnesses who were just at the beginning of their experience.
Michael says losing his sight on that fateful January day in 2010 was the best thing that could have ever happened to him.
You know, I was just your typical young man. I was focused on me. I was focused on what I wanted and not really anything else. I was single at the time. You know, I didn't care about anything.
There's a bit of irony in Michael being named captain of the 70-plus member Fidelco team participating in one of this weekend's races.
I don't like running. Let me say that. I really don't. I hate running with a passion. I don't love it at all. But I love finishing.
He and his sighted guide will run the half marathon, that of course 13.1 miles. And coming up next hour on the Fox Connecticut News at 5, we'll let you know what else he's doing through Fidelco to try to improve the lives of blinded veterans. I'm Tony Terzi, Fox Connecticut.